One time, put it down, shawty, get up on the ground. I don't know where you be, but I need you here with me. Stressed out on my mind heavily. Yeah, you're the only one.
Sex. We say bounce to the left, bounce to the left. Bend down, bend down. Bounce to the left, bounce to the left. Bend down, bend down. If you're real bad girl, cock off your body. Clean pum pum, make bad man happy. Sexy girl.
What's up, YouTube? So before this video begins, I am going to share this information with you about a competition that I want to have. So the most persons that can get the most people to, first of all, subscribe to my channel, and then they have to comment underneath your name. So if your name is Nathan, they have to say Nathan sent me, and once they say that, your name will have a 1 by it. Okay, that's one person said Nathan sent me. Now the winner of this competition will be getting a full week of promotions from me. I think I mentioned it in my last video, a full week of promotions from me. So the competition starts now. I've taken down names of persons whose names I've seen. I've seen Alicia and another person's name so far. So yeah, just share your stuff to your friends, let them subscribe to my channel, and comment your name in the comment section, and I will give y'all the winner's name in 2 weeks time. The winner, like I said, will get a full week of promotion. They will get a promotion on any site they want, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever they want. They can FaceTime me, whatever they, just to get to know me or something like that. So yeah, what's up, guys? What's up? So I know a lot of people had this question or trying to figure some things out. So I'm gonna give y'all some tips on how to get your songs on Apple Music, on Spotify, on TikTok Sounds, how to create music, what it takes, this and that. So firstly, let's start by saying the first couple of songs you might create yourself at home, and you might not post them, or you might post them and they may not be good quality. They may be off GarageBand and stuff. Well, I'll say this to say, when you first start, I recommend that you do that. You can do that. Literally, it's best that you start that way so that you can have a little bit of experience before you actually go into the studio. So when you first go into the studio, that's when stuff really gets serious. So you're gonna want to find a good studio. Currently I have 3 producers, okay? 3 producers. So find a good studio, and then you need to create a market for yourself. So me, I post my stuff every day on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and then Snapchat. So you're gonna need a market to post your stuff on, and also you're gonna need the support of friends and a lot of people around you to share your stuff. I would recommend everyone to have a YouTube channel for their music, but your channel can't grow if you don't promote your channel yourself. Me, I have never paid for a promotion to stay on my page, and right now I have 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, 41,000 on TikTok, almost 4,000 on Instagram. Last month I had like 2,200 or something. That's another video I'm gonna do to tell y'all how to grow y'all Instagram. So I'm saying that to say you need an audience. So how I got my songs on Apple Music, well, I'm gonna share that with y'all right now once my dog stops chewing this thing like she wants me to knock her out. So I'm gonna tell y'all how to get your songs on Apple Music, okay? So let's go. So I noticed y'all see that my songs are Apple Music. That's because I went through an app. There's an app called DistroKid. the membership for one user is $20. So DistroKid will literally put your stuff on at least, I think, 20 websites: YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, Amazon, Apple Music, Deemies, Google Play, all type of sites, TikTok, like I said. So all you gotta do is pay $20, and what you're gonna need is covers. So professional album covers. You're gonna need professional songs that have original beats, and make sure that everything belongs to you. Make sure you state whether your song is explicit or not. Also, what else I had to do? Oh, there's a piece on the account where you can put your... Why does my face look like this? There's a piece on your... Ooh, am I allergic? What the... There's a piece on your account where you can put your actual music YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna show y'all how my account has a musical note next to it and it says music. So you can create a musical account. I think it's worth the $20, and it's for a year. You collect all the money yourself that you make. So when someone uses your song on TikTok, you paid for that. When someone listens to your song on Apple Music or buys it on iTunes, you get that money. All of that belongs to you. When someone listens, or even whatever they do, you get paid for that all the time. Now I live in the Bahamas, and Bahamas don't have Spotify, but it's still on Spotify. When I go to the States, I'm gonna download it. My face really looks like it's breaking out right now. That is crazy. That is crazy. So I also have an artist channel on Facebook. Let me tell you why that is a good idea. A lot of people that do YouTube and music, they started on Facebook. Literally, Domo Wilson, Nicole TV, all of them started on Facebook. Funny Mike, they blew up off of Facebook. Nobody uses Facebook, so once they get famous, they stop using Facebook and they start using IG. But right now, I just developed a Facebook page. I have about 1,100 followers on that page. And why a page is better, your page could go viral and reach thousands of people and stuff. But once you have a Facebook account, that's kind of different because it's not professional, and it's more of a account where you can only have up to 5,000 friends. But once you get that Facebook page, you put yourself on a world stage, you know what I mean? Now, let me tell you all the truth about posting on certain sites. Use hashtags. Those hashtags go many places, and I'm gonna make a video soon talking about them, trust me. Someone asked me how to get music on Audiomack and stuff. So Audiomack and SoundCloud, I'd say I used to post on them before I bought DistroKid. So Audiomack and SoundCloud are easy to manage. Just go on your laptop. You have to do it from your laptop. Upload your music from your laptop. So my cousin recently introduced me to this app. Slowly Falling and Outer Loving were not recorded in a studio, but they do sound like studio recordings thanks to an app called GarageBand. Now, my cousin mixes those songs, and she does a very good job at it. So about GarageBand, it's better than BandLab. I'm not gonna lie, I used to use BandLab, but GarageBand is awesome. So there's this thing called Reedle. You download Reedle in order to save your beat, and you can do it directly from the YouTube video because there are a lot of free beats on YouTube, and you can save it to Reedle in order to get it onto GarageBand. I know y'all see me looking into this camera, but it really looks like I'm having an allergic reaction right now, and that is crazy. So let me show you all these apps real quick. I'm gonna pull it up. So like I said, DistroKid is a good app. It takes, okay, disclaimer, not all of your stuff will go through DistroKid if you do not read the instructions properly. And honestly, it took about a week and a half for my first songs to be uploaded, and then after that they just were uploaded quickly because they're used to me now. And guess what? Once you do it through DistroKid, you automatically get you can get an official music channel, like I said, and you can also have a channel that says Lil Davy's Topic. It's a topic channel. So like how celebrities have a topic channel, like it's a channel where all of their stuff are posted, but you don't control that. They control that and they get any money made from that channel. However, I have my own account, so I added it. So DistroKid. Okay, so let's go on to DistroKid. We're on to DistroKid. It says iTunes, Spotify, this and that. I currently have 4 songs out, and that's because only those 4 beats I can legally use. If you use a beat that you cannot legally use, you can face serious problems. So I'm gonna list a couple of the apps that I see here. We have Amazon, we have Anghami, I don't know what that is, iTunes, Apple Music, MediaNet, iHeartRadio, I think, Instagram, yes, iHeartRadio, that is a very popular radio, Claro Musica, KKBox, Napster, Spotify, NetEase, Pandora, Savan, Tidal. So when you look at it, it's worth it. It's worth your money. Don't be cheap. It's only $20 a year. Literally for $20 a year, you can upload all of your music. For $20 a year, you can get paid for people hearing your music. Now, the problem with that is, guess what? The payments take about 2 or 3 months to calculate and come to your bank account. Oh, by the way, you're gonna need a bank account, of course, and you're gonna need PayPal. So I tried to upload a song that was about 30 seconds long and that didn't have any beat. So your song has to have a beat, and it has to be at least a minute long in order for it to be considered a song, and you have to type them in a certain way. So DistroKid is really awesome. I don't know if a lot of you have seen it, but my songs are on Apple Music. I'm gonna put the Apple Music and the DistroKid link to the bottom of this video. Wow, guys, I don't know, I'm just kind of distracted by my face, but anyway, let's finish this video. So by the way, you can only sell it for up to 99 cents for the $20 membership. You can get a higher membership that allows you to put more than one artist on your stuff, and that allows you to also do that as well. So you can put your own price. But it's 99 cents. Oh my gosh, I hate when I'm trying to make this video and someone is calling me. It's really annoying me. I don't know if someone can help me and tell me how to turn off the calls from Instagram, because it's really annoying. And that's why I don't even have the Facebook app downloaded, because people try to call me. I have going on. So anyway, like I said, you will also have to keep the same name. So my name is Lil Davy. There's another artist called Lil Davy, but mine is Big Lil and then Big D AVI. So that's basically it. But if you were like me, I started out by posting my music on my YouTube account that I also post vlogs on, which is this account. But I also made a different YouTube account just for my music, because listen, imagine my music floating down and nobody can see it. So y'all go subscribe to my music only account. It's called Lil Davy Music, and let me know if I helped you. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Go check out DistroKid. I advise a lot of people to check it out so that you could get a chance to really push your music more, okay? And also, if you want an Instagram shout out, or anything from Boosie or something, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna drop his number in the description. No, this is not a fake. Literally, he posted this number on his live, and I just want to help y'all. If y'all want some shout outs or something or whatever, I can screenshot his live where he had the number as well. So anyway, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I'm gonna make a video explaining to y'all how y'all gonna see. I'm not gonna spoil it, but it's gonna be very interesting, and I'm gonna have all the receipts. So tomorrow, y'all know what it is.